Welcome to the epic face-off between two heavy-duty vacuum cleaners. In the blue corner, we have Rainbow E2, a powerful corded vacuum with a water-based filtration system combined with a HEPA exhaust filter and a motorized power nozzle, which make it great for deep carpet cleaning. And in the red corner, we have Sirena, which is a more affordable canister vacuum that also uses water filtration, along with a HEPA filter and multiple attachments for floors, carpets, and pet hair. And in this video, we'll analyze both these vacuums on cleaning efficiency, ease of use, and maintenance to find which one offers the most value for your money. You'll find links to all the exclusive discounts in the description below. Round number 1, cleaning efficiency. Rainbow E2 delivers around 70 CFM, which gives it strong airflow and deep cleaning ability, especially on thick carpets. Sirena offers about 64 CFM, slightly less powerful but still effective for most household needs. If you have heavy debris or deep pile carpets, the Rainbow has the edge, but for everyday cleaning, both perform well. Rainbow shines on high pile carpets and rugs, thanks to its power nozzle and edge brushes. It also works on bare floors but can feel bulky. Sirena is more versatile for multi-surface cleaning, including hardwood, tiles, and low-pile carpets, and its attachments are easier to handle. For pet owners, both vacuums are solid choices, but many users find the Sirena's pet and upholstery tools more convenient for cleaning sofas, stairs, and cars. The Rainbow vacuum stands out for its deep cleaning ability and long-lasting durability. Its water-based filtration traps dust and allergens effectively, making it ideal for allergy sufferers. The Sirena vacuum also uses water filtration but adds extra perks like aromatherapy and air purification, all in a lighter, more maneuverable design. It's specifically designed to handle both wet and dry messes. The Rainbow E2 supports wet pickup, but it's not for outdoor or basement use where water may pool. Sirena too can handle wet pickup. Just switch out the hose setup, and it works as a wet vacuum. Many users have successfully cleaned up egg messes without issue, but you should not use it to pick up non-water-soluble materials. But overall, Sirena wins this round for solid cleaning performance with air purification. Round number 2, versatility. The Sirena is compact, maneuverable, and comes with attachments that are great for detailing car interiors and tackling tricky corners. Its wet-dry functionality makes it suitable for workshops, garages, and even light commercial spaces like salons or cafes. The Rainbow E2 is bulkier and better suited for indoor home use, especially on carpets and rugs. It's powerful enough for commercial use, but not ideal for cars or garages due to size and maneuverability. The Rainbow E2 features a 2-speed motor, where the low speed is designed for air purification. It draws in air, passes it through the water basin, then through a HEPA filter, and releases cleaner, fresher air. Users often run it for hours to remove dust, pet dander, smoke, and odors. While it's effective, some mention that long-term use as an air purifier can cause wear on the motor and filter, and the noise level is noticeable even at low speed. Like the Rainbow, the Sirena also has a 2-speed motor, allowing it to act as an air purifier when not in vacuum mode. It uses water filtration to trap airborne particles and odors, and also supports fragrance oils. The noise at low speeds is still present, and the build quality is slightly less robust than that of the Rainbow. If you need flexibility, Sirena wins this round. For home-only use, Rainbow still holds strong. Round number 3, ease of use. The Rainbow is a bit harder to carry or maneuver, especially in smaller homes or upstairs. It has a 25-foot cord, which is good, but the unit feels large. In contrast, Sirena is lighter, easier to move around, and better for compact spaces. It also has a quieter, low-speed mode, making it more pleasant to use for light cleaning sessions. Maintenance is similar for both, as you'll need to empty and clean the water basin after each use. The Rainbow's lighted basin makes it easier to spot dirt, and its build feels more premium. Sirena's basin is simpler but effective. One plus is that its filters are washable, saving on long-term costs. If you're using a factory original Rainbow filter, it's recommended to replace it every 3 to 4 years. However, generic filters should typically be replaced every 6 months. On the other hand, the Sirena vacuum needs filter changes every 1 to 2 years depending on usage. Round number 4, warranty and customer support. The Rainbow offers a 10-year motor warranty through authorized sellers, but service often goes through independent dealers. Numerous reviews on platforms like Consumer Affairs and Trustpilot highlight issues such as unresponsive dealers, difficulties with warranty claims, and unethical sales practices. The Sirena also provides a 10-year motor warranty and a 3-year parts warranty, with satisfactory customer support from authorized dealers. Many users have praised the Sirena's quick response times and helpful assistance. So Sirena clearly wins here. So with all said and done, here's our key takeaway. If you want a premium, heavy-duty machine for deep carpet cleaning and don't mind the size or price, the Rainbow E2 Type 12 is a great choice. But if you prefer a lightweight, budget-friendly, and versatile vacuum that's easier to handle and still powerful, the Sirena vacuum cleaner is hard to beat. Have you used Sirena or Rainbow vacuums? Share your experiences in the comments below. And for another helpful cleaning video, check out this video next.